Hey everyone, it's Jeff McGinnis, Cross Country Mortgage. Let's talk jumbos today. I want to go over a few tips about jumbo loans. And I guess first off, how we define a jumbo loan is what is the loan amount. So a loan amount, at least at the time of this recording, a jumbo loan in our King County, Pierce County, Snohomish County area is going to be a loan amount of $776,250 or higher. So $776,250 is still a conventional loan. Anything above that's going to be a jumbo loan. So let's talk jumbo loans real quick. So a few tips about jumbo loans. First tip is going to be to be aware of the number of trade lines on the credit report. So a trade line is a car loan, student loan, credit card, any sort of loan that will show up on a credit report. So we want to be aware of how many there are and how long they've been there. And each individual jumbo loan provider has a different requirement. So that's tip number one. Be aware of how many trade lines there are. Tip number two, a big one is reserves. And reserves we want to define as how many months of mortgage payment does the client have after we close the transaction. So after the down payment, the closing costs and all the prepaid items for taxes and insurance get paid for, how many months live in their bank account after they're done with that. And there are we can actually use 401k or retirement funds as reserves, but they also come with a discount. You can't use every dollar in your 401k because why? We've got taxes to pay for and payment, prepayment penalties if you're under the age of being able to cash it out penalty free. So first one, number of trade lines, number of months reserves, that's number two. And then being aware of what type of buyer we have. Is it a seasoned buyer where they've owned a home before, or is it a first-time home buyer? And so all of these things, those are the three tips that I want to talk to you about today. First-time home buyers may require a little bit more on reserves. There could be some additional requirements elsewhere. It's just really good to check out all of these three things first. And if we do that, then we're in a pretty safe spot. But if you have any questions about jumbo loans or anything further about them, feel free to give me a holler, reply back, whatever works for you. Look forward to catching up with you soon. Have a great day.